Hello traders and curious minds. Welcome back to FXGK, where we deduct common misconceptions about Forex trading. Today we're exposing 7 popular lies that often cruciate in the Forex community. I'm your host FXGK and let's get right into it. Segment 1. Believe you can get rich quick. One of the biggest lies in Forex is the belief that you can get rich quick. While Forex offers the potential for profits, it's not a guaranteed path to wealth overnight. Successful trading takes time, education, and patience. Segment 2. You must know what you're doing, even when taking only Forex signals. Another myth is that you must be an expert to succeed in Forex trading. Even if you're using Forex signals, while knowledge is essential, many traders use signals as a valuable tool for decision making. Segment 3. Your broker doesn't like you. It's a common misconception that brokers are always against traders. In reality, reputable brokers have a vested interest in their traders' success because they earn from spreads and commission, not from traders' losses. Segment 4. Trading is not easy. It's hard and requires discipline. Trading is often portrayed as a quick and easy way to make money. But the truth is, it's challenging and demands discipline. Consistent success in trading requires dedication and continuous learning. Segment 5. Trading is more mentally than skill. While psychology and mindset plays a crucial role in trading, it's not just about mentality. Skill, knowledge, and effective strategies are equally important. A balanced approach is key. Segment 6. You must have capital to make money. Contrary to the myth, you don't need a massive amount of capital to start making money in Forex. Many traders begin with the modest accounts and gradually grow them over time. Segment 7. Trading is a business. Trading is often compared to running a business, and while there are similarities, it's not the same. A business involves variations aspects like marketing, operations, and management, whereas trading focuses on financial markets. In conclusion, it's essential to question popular myths and misconceptions about Forex trading. Success in Forex requires realistic expectations, continuous learning, discipline, and a balanced approach to both mentality and skill. If you found this video helpful in debunking these myths, or if you have your own myth to share, please consider liking, subscribing, and leave your comments below. Until next time, this is FXGK signing off. May your trading journey be filled with clarity and probability insights.